In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Wise card in Singapore. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will have the ability to generate and use a Wise card in Singapore by having the latest version of their mobile app installed. So all that you have to do is make sure that the app is up to date, running the latest version available, and that you have an account registered and ready to go inside of Wise. Once you are signed in to your account, switch over to the Card tab. You should see the Card option on the menu at the bottom of your screen. When you switch over to Card, immediately you are going to get this pop-up if you have never used the Wise card before. So if this is your first time ordering a card from Wise, this is what you're going to see. You are going to get information regarding your new card. You can see the last 4 digits, the expiration date, and more information regarding the replacement cost, the old cards that you can possibly have, and that you can start spending immediately. So order your card. This process, you will have to give them some contact information and a lot of personal stuff, so I won't be covering it in this video, but as long as you are able to provide valid and legitimate information, you will receive your Wise card. Once you have your physical Wise card at hand, you can start using it immediately after the PIN is set and you are ready to go. Like I said, you will have access to the card number, expiration date, and the security code, and you can make purchases online or in store. Alternatively, after you acquire your usual physical card, you can also generate a digital card inside of Wise. Now, to use a Wise card in Singapore, you can choose between the physical or digital one, and when you switch over to the Card tab, after you are done with its initial setup, you will see the additional options. For example, the option to get a digital card. This is optional, but if you wish, just go ahead and this will work just like the other one that you got in the mail. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Wise card in Singapore. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.